Hello, and welcome to our insightful exploration of investment opportunities. Today we turn the spotlight onto a fascinating player in the realm of music and technology, SoundHound. This company has been making waves and its stock is catching the eyes of investors worldwide. From its innovative products and services to its dynamic position in the industry, there's a lot about SoundHound that deserves our attention. Stay with us as we delve into the captivating world of SoundHound. SoundHound, a name synonymous with audio recognition and music technology, has a fascinating story. Founded in 2005 by a group of Stanford University graduates, SoundHound began as a simple idea to revolutionize the way we interact with sound and music. Initially, SoundHound focused on developing an audio recognition technology that could identify songs by listening to a few seconds of a track, an idea that turned into their flagship product, SoundHound Music. This application, which can identify a song by hearing it or even by hearing someone hum it, quickly gained popularity and set the stage for SoundHound's growth. Recognizing the potential of voice and sound, the company expanded its focus beyond music recognition. In 2011, SoundHound introduced Houndify, an independent voice-enabled AI platform designed to understand and respond to natural language. This platform has been integrated into various devices and applications, from cars to home appliances, demonstrating SoundHound's growing influence in the tech industry. In the years that followed, SoundHound continued to innovate, launching new products like the voice-powered virtual assistant, Hound, and expanding its reach globally. Today, SoundHound's applications have been downloaded over 300 million times worldwide, and its technology is used by some of the world's leading companies. SoundHound's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and vision. From a simple app that could identify a song, the company has grown into a global leader in audio recognition and voice-enabled AI technology. But SoundHound's story is far from over. With the rise of voice recognition and AI technologies, the company is well positioned to continue its growth and influence in the music and technology industry. Its commitment to innovation, demonstrated by its consistent investment in research and development, suggests that SoundHound will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in audio and voice technology. With its roots firmly planted in the tech industry, SoundHound is a player worth watching. The music and related technology market is a dynamic landscape, teeming with investment possibilities. Let's delve into this space and uncover the potential that lies within. The music industry is evolving rapidly, with technology playing an ever-increasing role. From streaming platforms to voice-activated speakers, the integration of music and technology is clear to see. This fusion has led to a surge in the market, creating a myriad of investment opportunities. SoundHound, a leading player in this sphere, has made a name for itself with its innovative voice-enabled AI and music recognition technology. The company's ability to carve out a niche in the crowded tech landscape speaks volumes about its growth potential. However, any discussion about potential growth must also consider the competition. While SoundHound has its unique offerings, other giants in the tech industry, such as Apple and Google, have also made significant strides in voice technology and music streaming services. This intense competition could pose a challenge for SoundHound's growth. Risk, as we know, is an inherent part of any investment. In the case of SoundHound, two main risks stand out. First, the technological landscape is subject to rapid changes, and companies must constantly innovate to stay relevant. Second, legal and copyright issues in the music industry can pose significant challenges. SoundHound, like any other company, would need to navigate these risks successfully to ensure its growth trajectory. However, the upside potential of SoundHound should not be overlooked. The company's unique music recognition technology, combined with its voice AI, sets it apart from its competitors. This distinctive edge, along with the company's strong position in a growing market, presents a compelling investment opportunity. In conclusion, the music and related technology market is filled with potential, and SoundHound, with its innovative offerings and growth potential, is certainly a player to watch. The company will need to continue innovating and navigating market risks to maintain its unique position and capitalize on the opportunities this vibrant market offers. SoundHound, with its distinct offerings, holds a unique position in this vibrant market. For any serious investor, a company's financial health is integral to investment decisions. So let's delve into SoundHound's recent financial reports. SoundHound's revenue trajectory over the past few years is an interesting story of growth. The company has consistently increased its revenue year on year. showcasing a strong and growing demand for its services. This steady revenue growth is a strong signal of SoundHound's long-term prospects. When it comes to profitability, SoundHound is also on a promising path. The company has managed to turn a profit in recent years, which is a testament to its operational efficiency and its successful efforts to control costs. This is particularly impressive in the competitive world of music and voice technology, where many companies struggle to achieve profitability. However, it's not just about revenue and profits. Cash flow, the lifeblood of any business, is another crucial aspect to consider. SoundHound's positive cash flow position indicates its ability to fund its operations, invest in growth, and weather any potential financial storms. Now let's put SoundHound in context by comparing it to its competitors. Compared to other companies in the same industry, SoundHound's financial performance stands out. It has a higher revenue growth rate and profitability margin, indicating that it's not only growing faster but also more efficiently. Furthermore, SoundHound's robust financial performance is reflected in its key financial ratios. For instance, its return on investment and return on equity ratios are above industry average, suggesting that it's doing an excellent job of deploying its capital to generate profits. But remember, no company is without its risks. SoundHound, like any other company, faces challenges such as market volatility, competitive pressures, and technological changes. However, its strong financial performance gives it a solid foundation to navigate these challenges. In summary, SoundHound's financial performance paints a picture of a company on a solid growth trajectory. It's a company that's not just surviving but thriving in a competitive industry. And that, folks, is a compelling story for any investor. Investing is as much about strategy as it is about spotting opportunities. When it comes to SoundHound, there are several feasible investment strategies to consider. First, there's long-term investing. This strategy involves buying SoundHound shares and holding onto them for several years. This approach is based on the belief that despite short-term market fluctuations, the value of SoundHound will increase over time. Long-term investing is typically less risky and requires less time and effort than other strategies. On the other hand, there's short-term trading. This involves buying and selling SoundHound shares within a short period, sometimes within a single trading day. The goal here is to take advantage of small price movements. However, this strategy requires a deep understanding of the stock market and a significant time commitment. In between these two strategies, there's swing trading. This approach involves holding on to SoundHound shares for a few days to a few months to capitalize on price swings. Swing trading can be a good strategy if you're looking for profits in the short to medium term and can dedicate a few hours each week to monitoring the market. Regardless of the strategy you choose, it's crucial to evaluate the potential risks involved. Market volatility, for instance, can significantly impact the value of your investment in SoundHound. If the stock market experiences a downturn, SoundHound's stock price could fall. Stock price volatility is another risk to consider. SoundHound's stock price could fluctuate due to factors such as changes in the music and technology industry, competitor actions, or financial reports. Lastly, remember that unforeseen factors can also influence SoundHound's stock price. These could include regulatory changes, economic events, or company-specific news. In conclusion, it's important to have a clear investment strategy and to understand the potential risks when investing in SoundHound. While SoundHound presents attractive investment opportunities, it's essential to consider potential risks. We've journeyed through the story of SoundHound, analyzed its market, financial health, and evaluated potential investment strategies. We've seen the company's roots, its current position in the music and tech industry, and its potential future. SoundHound, with its unique voice recognition and music identification technology, is carving out its own niche in a growing market. This journey has revealed both opportunities and challenges. The music and tech market is expanding, creating potential for growth. SoundHound's recent financial reports show a company that is not only surviving but thriving. However, competition is fierce, and market volatility is always a concern. These factors must all be weighed carefully. In terms of investment, SoundHound offers a blend of opportunities. For the long-term investor, SoundHound's innovation and growth potential could provide a steady return. For short-term traders, the company's stock can offer a dynamic playing field, with price fluctuations offering potential for profit. But remember, every investment carries risk. SoundHound is no exception. Market volatility, competition, and unforeseen factors can impact the investment outcome. Therefore, it's essential to do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making an investment decision. In conclusion, SoundHound presents an intriguing investment opportunity in the music and tech industry. Whether you're a long-term investor or a short-term trader, SoundHound warrants consideration in your portfolio. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. We invite your thoughts and questions in the comments section.